guys, my name is Michael and welcome to a new GTK link button tutorial. Basically, I wasn't supposed to create another tutorial. I was thinking that was more than enough information for that widget, but in the last video, in the last CSS tutorial video, I was showing you things like how you can change the color or the background color of the label, and of course the link color or the text color of the link itself as well. For this, what did I how did I choose to manage, or how did I manage to succeed those things? Were like I'm going to explain in the next couple minutes. So for this, first things first, we have our program right here. I defined an events mask right here, which contains those two masks from enter notify and leave notify mask. Once that I have them inside my events, then with the help of the GTK widget add events, I put them inside on my link button. My link button itself has no events, so but to be sure that there are no events which you can destroy them, I recommend you, I think I already said something about it when I was talking about signal events and events, but if not, I'm telling you right now, it is better for you always, always when you add events to your widget, not put them directly. Instead, call the GTK widget get events and use the OR operator together with your actual events which you have them, so that you do not destroy some other things. Okay, with add events it should not happen. I'm not sure if it can happen, but if you set events, then you will have a big problem. Anyway, once that we set those events to our link button, then we can connect the enter notify event and leave notify event to our link button. We have two callbacks. The first one is the enter callback and the second one is the leave callback. Those two are right here. The enter callback is just a function which checks if the link button it is a link button, and then it checks if the event type it is of GTK enter notify. If it is, it brings it to the screen entering the link button area, and the same story goes with the leave notify. So let me compile it and run it the way it is right now, and as you can see, it says the mouse enters the link button area. Now I move it, mouse leaves. So basically it's working. Now that it works, I can comment those two calls right there, and instead I'm going to change the name of the we are going to set an ID name for the link button itself. At this point we are saying when our mouse pointer enters, it will be called enter link button, and when our mouse pointer is leaving, it's going to be called leave link button. For this, now that we create those two IDs, we can just put them right here. So basically we have said enter link button, and here we can now set some information which we need to have it at that point when you create some. So for example, now we have enter link button, and then we are going to access the label again, and now because we are doing this, we can say for enter link button should be, I don't know, let's say a margin, just to be different from all other things, 5 pixels, and then we can say, of course, the background color, which we can now set it to yellow, And of course we need the color itself to change it, also color to something else, which will be of course red. And now when we enter our pointer, let's see if it's working. I'm going to compile it and run it. We have orange background and blue background for our label, and now as you can see it is yellow and works fine. As you can see, it works fine. Now of course you can set a color when you leave it, a different one from the existing one. For example, now we need the other name, which is the link button right here. I'm going to copy it and paste it right here. And the same story here. We can set the background color, not neck, background color. We can set it to white, or whatever. It's not important the color right now. And the color we can set it to also to something else, for example to aqua. Okay, now let me compile it and run it. As you can see, I'm entering and I'm leaving. Now it is the aqua right there. Why? Because I forgot to access the label. Sorry. Now we are accessing the label. So we have now the color is blue. Now it's changing to yellow, and the text, the color text is red. Now I'm leaving the link area, and now it says it is white with color blue. Of course this is ugly because you don't need it, but I want to show you that it's working. For this, I'm just setting the background color and the color to the link button label itself being the same one, so that there are no differences to be noticed. So you see, now it looks better. You don't even need to set the leave notify. You do not need it, but it is there just because to show you that you can make all those changes, and the way how you create them is it is your decision, and you should know better how you style your widgets. So that being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.